I'm going to model how to solve an elapsed time word problem using the number line. With a number line, I normally teach it using mountains for 1 hour, and then a hill for 10 minutes, a hill for 5 minutes, and a hill for 1 minute. Okay? So let's say, for example, Jerry started playing video games at 2:25. He took a break at 3:30. How long did Jerry play video games? So when I do a number line, I always make sure that I put arrows on either side because that shows me that time is continuous and it keeps going. On the left side, I write my start time, and my start time is 2:25. And on the right side, my time is going to be my end time, which is 3:30. So now what I need to do is I need to figure out what kind of jumps I need. So I started at 2:25 and it ended at 3:30. So I know 3:30 goes past 25. So I'm going to do 1 hour jump. And I always label the jumps that I take just so I can keep track of my time. So I know 1 hour after 2:25 will be 3:25. So now I need to figure out what kind of jump I can do from 3:25 to 3:30. And that'll be a 5-minute jump. And I simply just count the time that I've done. I start with my biggest time and I go to my smallest time. So 1 hour, and then I write 1 hour, and then 5 minutes. And I could write it in a sentence to show the read, draw, write process. So Jerry played games for 1 hour and 5 minutes. Okay, let's do another one. So again, the jumps I can take are 1 hour, and then 10 minutes, 5 minutes, or 1 minute. So let's say Monica went to the store at 3:15 and she returned home at 4 o'clock. How long was Monica at the store? So starting with my number line, she went to the store at 3:15 and she got back at 4 o'clock. My start time goes on the left, my end time goes on the right, and in the middle is my elapsed time. Well, if it starts at 3:15 and she gets back at 4, I don't have enough time to do an hour jump. So I'm going to have to do a 10-minute jump. So 10 minutes after 3:15, that's just 15 plus 10, which is 25, will be 3:25. And I got to remember to label my jumps. Okay? Then I do another 10-minute jump. 25 plus 10 more minutes is 3:35. Then another 10-minute jump. 5 and 4 is 3:45. Then I think I can fit in one more 10-minute jump. 3:45 plus 10 is 3:55. Now if I do another 10-minute jump, I'm going to go past my hour, which is 4 o'clock. So I need to do a 5-minute jump. Because 55 plus 5 is 60. And I know when I see 60, that means I have to go to the next hour. So that 6 is actually needing to be a 0. 3 plus 1 is 4. Okay, but I'm not done yet. I have to count how many jumps I took. I start at the biggest and I go to the smallest. So skip counting by tens. 10, 20, 30, 40. I'm out of 10, so now I'm going to skip count by 5s. 45. So Monica was gone for 45 minutes. There you go. That's elapsed time. Let me know if you have any questions or concerns.